You count again. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You write here under the 1. 9.
Okay. 9. You 9.
Go.
2.
2 plus 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How much? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You write here 8. This one. The answer is, what number is it?
98.
No, it's 89.
89.
What is the answer?
89.
You write here. You put equals. Equals like that.
Equal.
You write the 89. Your answer.
80.
9.
9.
Look down, Mama. Good job. Here, the number 2. The number 2. 13 plus 23. You count with your hands. 3 plus 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You write the number 6 here. Under the 3. Under 1 plus 2. You write,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
you write the 3 here under the 2. What is that?
We here.
30.
36.
You add another. There's another man. Plus 41. You write, count with your hands now again. 6. 6.
6. Plus 1.
No. How many are? 6 only. 6. You count 6.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6. Oh, you add 1. You put 1. Oh, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You write 7 here. Another one. 3 plus 4.
4.
You count them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You count. You write.
Wait.
Like this. Oh. What number is that?
It's 17.
No, 77.
77.
77.
77.
You write here equals. Like this. 77. Good job. Number 3. 32 plus 20. You count. You count 2 plus 0.
2 plus 0.
Oh, how many?
1, 2.
Okay, you write 2. What's the next one?
2 plus 3.
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Take this in. Here, under the 2. Okay. 52 plus 7. Oh, how many? 2 plus 7.
2 plus 7.
You put this like that. Count
1, 2,
them
3, 4,
all.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Good job. Put the 9. No, that's not right. Like this. Oh.
Oh, I like that. I said that. Okay, we got that.
Okay. 5. 5 only. There's nothing here. So you write 5 here.
Okay.
Because there's nothing under, okay?
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, nice.
You write here. 59. 5 and 9. You're wrong. Right here. 59.
50.
59. Like this, oh. 5 and 9. This one, see? What's on the top?
59.
No, that's wrong, Sayon.
Oh, yeah.
Wala na nag-line in. Here, you write up here. 5 and 9. Here. 5 and 9. 9. Yung ano sa 7 ang put like that. Okay. 12. Ay. 12 plus 30. You count down. 2 plus 0.
2.
Plus 0.
2.
You write. This one. 1 plus 3.
1, 2, 3.
No. 1 plus 3.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what 4? Is that again?
Write the 2 here again. 4. 4 like this. Oh.
Okay, if it's triangle with a line.
Finish? No. Another one. 24 plus 11. 4 plus 5. You know what you have? 4. 4 plus 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You write 5 under that. Last 1.
Wait, this one?
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
here, oh, here. What 2 plus 1?
1, 2, 3.
You write 3.
I got the Y. This one. 59.
No, not yet. What 59? 40. 2 plus 35. No, you're right. No, you write the answer.
Okay.
2 plus 5.
Okay, 2.
No, 2 plus 5.
2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You write 7 under the 5.
7.
How about this? 4 plus 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You write 7 again there.
Wait, 7?
Mm-hmm.
What? 77. 77.
7. You write it here. 7 like this. Oh, 7 and 7. 77. What's that?
77. 77.
Good job, my love.
Yay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.